Hey YouTube, hope you like the video I'm providing. It's a commission piece that I just did a few months ago of a family dog, a Dalmatian. Here I'm putting in the nose and the eyes, and it's really looking good. It's getting me excited. It's looking so good that I know that pretty much the eyes are in place where they're supposed to be in the nose. That it's looking pretty accurate. That I'm getting excited with the dog. Put in a colorful background. There's a reference you'll probably see here shortly that I'm using of the family dog. Now I'm trying to shape his face, get some shadows in. Looking at the colors in his fur. Putting in one ear with the base color, and the second one with its base color, which the left one was a little, had more light to it, so that's why it's bluer. And try to generally get his head shaped correctly. Here is a holster type collar, which you'll see I deal with a few times before the final picture is done with. But, there's the reference picture. There's working on the nose again, a close up. Looking at all the color, the values that make up that nose that I see that I paint it. I enjoy putting color into my pictures, and I guess that's why I can see the color so well, because I look for it. But I think it really makes the picture stand out. But color isn't everything. Value is most important. If you get your value right, then the color and the shade, be it a black and white, will look just as good as it does color. Probably getting ready to work on those ears a little bit more, which not as bad as the collar, but it gave me a little bit of challenge as well for the left ear. Make sure I got right angles. Form the head. Now I'm finally getting to those ears. Yeah, this painting took me 24 hours. So you can imagine it took much longer than what it looks like. But I enjoyed it. I love doing it. It fascinates me. We're just about halfway done here. This is a good way to see your proportions, and if anything's not aligned correctly, it changes your eyes. It helps a lot to do something like this, and I did it a couple of times, a few times, and I also walk away from the painting, which you guys don't see that, because I usually turn the camera off when I do something like that, but you'll see me flip the painting back and forth. Another trick of the trade is taking a mirror and looking at your painting from within the mirror. That kind of gives you the same effect as changing your picture back and forth. That's on it. The mirror probably works better with a traditional painting than a digital one like this is. This is Photoshop. Using a pen display and a stylus. you have any questions, you can leave in the comments. I'll answer them. This is the first time doing this. Correcting things on that body. Especially that harness collar of his. Or hers, actually. Got a pink collar, so it's probably a her. Yep, we're getting there. About 5 more minutes of viewing. So I hope you liked the video. I'd appreciate it if you did. Hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel. Help support me. Doing those will help get the video out more and help support my channel. And then you can share and comment if you'd like. Yeah, it's looking pretty good so far. The customer really enjoyed it. That's the most important thing, that they like it. So, if you've watched this far, I appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the like button. Definitely appreciate that. And subscribe if you'd like. I get to be about that time when I put the old signature on there. And some vinyl shading, it looks like. Try and get that picture to look as good as the reference, if not better. Well, thank you guys. But here comes the signature, but I feel it.